Hi, this is John with WTI. As I'm always trying to take care of my car. This is an old car that I recently received from a previous owner that was not taking too much care of it. This is like a rehab for him. And this is this STP injector cleaner. So what I do is that once I get a full tank in my car, I just pull over this guy here and the whole injector and the system of the fuel in my car, it just gets a nice clean, and already been feeling some of the great benefits from this. It cleans your injectors, which means it's not going to give any residue in the tank of your car. It actually has helped me in my case that my fuel is being more efficient because it's not giving all this residue. And sometimes the gas in my country, it will actually leave a lot of residue due that it's not too much of a higher quality. So in this case, having a guy like this or having a product like this comes out like a lifesaver for your car. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.